Guys, kumusta kayong lahat? I hope everybody's fine. So today guys, mabilis lang to at gusto ko lang talagang i-update yung lahat about the situation with the PSEI in terms of technical analysis and the latest updates regarding the ECQ. So technically, so just like what I have updated last week, that I am betting that the index will still continue to move downwards. So here, based on this uh, chart ng PSEI, we can see a downtrend channel. And you see here, it dropped and then bounced back to the EMA 21. And price cannot really cross on that EMA 21. So that is actually the mean. And my projection is that PSEI will continue to move downward to the lower channel. So that lower channel is in confluence with the support price here, about 6,200. And kapag yung new announcement or new extension of the lockdown, which is called ECQ, ay baka magkaroon pa ng further downward move. So it can even go to this 6,000 level or 5,900. So we really do not know. So my advice, mapapayo ko sa inyo guys ay palipasin muna natin yung move tomorrow. So it's really expected that there will be a big down move. So ano ba yung mga levels na inyong dapat abangan for a bounce play? Kasi yun lang naman talaga yung gagawa natin sa Philippine market. Wala naman tayong shorting, di ba? So look for an overshoot move below this 6,200 kasi alam ng mga institutional traders na nandito yung support. So madalas hindi naman nagba-bounce agad yung price just above the support. So mayroong tinatawag tayong stop hunting. So i-overshoot muna yung price na yan para ma-stop out yung lahat ng mga traders na naka-long position para ma-trigger yung kanilang stop loss before reversing the move. So I'm not saying that there will be a trend reversal. It will be just a mean reversion. So overall, we are still in a downtrend. So yung magagawa na talaga natin sa PSEI as an active trader is really to look for that overshoot to the support and look for bullish candles or reversal patterns on this area na kung saan nandyan yung key support level. Then look for bounce towards again back to the EMA 21. So ganyan yung magiging expected move. So it's a channel. So as you can see, while we are in a correction or bearish trend, the price is respecting this upper part of the channel and respecting the lower part of the channel. And so far, in this year, since nagkaroon ng up move from January, nag-down tayo, di ba? Nag-drop. This is called correction move, A, B, C move. So yung C move is still ongoing. So ito yung A move from here to here. And B move, itong leg na yan. So let me show it to you para klaro. Let me pull out my channel drawing tool. This is the channel. At yung ABC move natin, ABC wave, is this one. So ito yung C move which is still ongoing. So it can further drop to this lower part of the channel. So correction move, right? So ayan. So we are still on a downside risk. So I would really advise you to be on cash and look for bounce plays on these levels. All right. So, ano pa yung masasabi ko? So, the negative catalyst is really this ECQ. So, alam naman natin kapag pag may ECQ, maraming mga tao or maraming mga businesses na hindi makapag-open. Maraming mga tao na nawawalan ng trabaho. So, that is very, very negative to economy. At the tendency is that yung mga big traders, mga institutional traders and banks are hesitant to put more money. So this is called risk on situation. When there is a risk on situation, people tend to sell, or those people who have money doesn't want to put money on the table. They want to put or convert their money into cash and wait for the right opportunity to buy. So bounce play yung magiging strategy, and look for overbought level or oversold levels, or these really extended moves. So ano pa yung masasabi ko dito is that I'm using a so-called mean reversion play, at sa mean reversion na yan, it's using a kind of statistical method to analyze the market and to quantify the move. And as you can see, PSEI is not really moving. The max move that it can have during the uptrend is in the along the 380R. So itong purple na yan nakikita nyo is a 380R move. The brown one is a 280R move. And as you can see, the 380R is really the max move na ginagawa ng PSEI on a daily basis, on a daily trend, daily chart. So sa down move naman, 380R din yung ginagawa niya before nagba-bounce. And then sa bounce naman, malapit sa 280R. Then again, bagsak, then 380R here. So if it moves back, right now we are on the 180R level. Or I mean at the mean. So this is the EMA 21, which serves as the average. And kung mag-overshoot man yung price, it will be here, yung expected move natin. So since we are on a downtrend, mas malakas yung move sa pababa, which is 380R. So if we will try to project that, so we have here again the channel. So exactly overshooting or trying to retest again 380R move, this part, and then bounce back. So that makes sense, right? Before bouncing back up. So yung mga bounces are just short bounces, but extended, well extended move downward. That is really a typical downtrend or correction market in correction. So if I were you, just wait na magkaroon ng ganyang move, then look for buying opportunities on when the price is when the PSEI is somewhere right on these support areas. So I advise my followers sa aking stock updates not to buy tomorrow, and then wait for the bounce play on either Tuesday or Wednesday. And nga pala, remember that next week is a Holy Week, so you should really count also, or discount that there will be a light trading volume next week. So kapag may upcoming Holy Week, usually of course walang trading yan, non-trading day. And because of that, magkakaroon ngayon ng light volume sa market. And we all know that pag light volume, so medyo hindi trustworthy yung mga moves kasi maliliit lamang ng mga traders or very few traders lang nasa market. Also, not only that, after pa sa Holy Week, minsan yung mga traders hindi agad yan bumabalik sa work nila, di ba? So medyo nag-extend pa sila ng mga 1 or 2 days bago sila bumalik ulit sa market. So you should also count that one. Alright guys, so that's it for today. Hindi ko na papahabain. And for those people who are really very interested to follow my updates, my weekly updates in the Philippine market and even the Forex market, US market, and cryptocurrencies, feel free to message me if you would like to get my signals and updates. Also, I teach people about my strategy, how to trade US market, how to trade crypto, Forex, and the Philippine market in particular. So again, guys, that's all for today, and God bless you on that. Oh, so Christian, by the way, so Christian, GMA7, sir. So actually, just a bonus tip for all of you. GMA7 is one of my picks for next week. One of the top picks. Kasi papakita ko sa inyo guys. So ito yung isa sa mga squeeze setup na nakita ko kanina. And actually one of my updates for next week. Okay, let me okay, so Christian is one of my followers in my FB. You can see there's a squeeze set up here, claro. The price is above the pivot point. That's nice. And then let me now change my template para alam na natin na may squeeze, so we don't need that squeeze setup. So we see here, so this is a bonus, okay? So basically this is one of my updates for next week, but I will give this to you as a bonus. This is a buy signal basically. So the buy signal was triggered when the price broke and confirmed last week. So ito, medyo nag-try siyang mag-breakout pero nag-shy away, hindi tumuloy. So where will you put your stop loss in this kind of setup? You look for this candle. This is the hammer candle. You put your stop loss few points away from the low of that candle. That is your 1 hour risk. So what is your target naman? Your target can be 2 times the risk or more. But another way to calculate your targets are this using the pivot points. So the first target is 1 R1. Second target is the midpoint of R1 and R2. And third target is R2. So since this is a squeeze setup, so there is a potential na mapunta pa yan sa R3. So we do not know. So but this is the theory, okay? So we can also calculate our target by means of Fibonacci extension. So you extend from this point towards the lowest swing low, and you get the so exactly nandyan sa R1 yung first TP. Next TP is between R1 and R2, and the next TP can be this 2.618. So I think this one R2 target is the uh, two times the box, I think. So if this is what I mean by, so if this is R2 is our so R2 can be a target. So how is it? So this is a box, and if we transfer that box and extend that, then yeah. So not really exactly at R2, but malapit sa R2. So that can be another target. So there are many ways to calculate your target or estimate. Another way is really to look for bearish candle formation pattern, and that can be your TP when there is a bearish pattern. Okay, so iba-iba lang yung style ng pag-take profit natin. What is important for me is really where to place your stop loss kasi that's the risk, right? So we prioritize the risk more than the target. Basta as long as our take profit points are realistic, like if this is your risk, then 2 times the risk should be a target. That should be the minimum. Okay. So, okay, guys. So, if you would like to learn my strategies in trading any market, Philippine market, Forex, crypto, US stock market, name it, even option trading, I can teach you. So, let me know if you would like to learn from me. Okay. So, feel free to message me. Again, guys, God bless sa inyong lahat and good luck.